Hi everyone, I may have a new jacket. Jacket? Is this a jacket? Coat, shirt, chef's jacket, chef's coat, chef's shirt. And today I'm going to show you how to use the adjustable dough roller so you can make some nice even pizza dough. So let's get started. First things first, here's the machine. It's really easy to use. You plug it in. The on and off switch is over here. This is the adjustable thickness knob. Now when you're working with dough, you want to start on the thickest and then slowly close it in, close the gap, encroach, whatever you want to call it, and then that'll make it as thin as you want, as you see fit. So what you want to do is prep your station with some flour so that the dough doesn't stick to the surface and then gets all caught and it's a big mess. Now I also just washed my hands, and I know you might want to use gloves, but after you flour your hands, they become less or they become more slippery. The gloves, the flour's not going to stay on the gloves, and you're going to stick to the dough, and then now your dough is on your gloves and you can't get it off, and once again it's a mess. So make sure you wash your hands, and then it's okay to use them when you're rolling some dough. Still a little sticky. Oh, beautiful. I know you're thinking like, yeah, it's already flat, like why don't I just use that? But this is going to make it even, and it's going to do it quickly. So just by that, like you can see, it goes from this to this. So you got to make sure that you work in the flour. So just turn it on, right there. And now you got to prep your station too. So right in, just like that. Okay, make it so that it'll go in. Okay. And right in it goes. You can see now, when you're making pizza dough, you want it to be round, obviously. So put it in horizontally, and that's going to flatten it into a round circle. Just like that. Let's thin it up with our adjustment knob. I'm going to go about halfway. Just put it on. Now we're getting more of a circle. It's gonna be a really small pizza. Let's try one of the bigger pieces. So I go back, I readjust it. A little bit of flour. Just like that. And in we go. Now I know you're wondering, wow, this guy is really good at this. I used to work at a pizza place, so I actually feel qualified to wear the jacket. Coat, shirts, that's better. So that would be one great thin crust pizza.